Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video, and I did untangle this. Look at that. Look at these. Look at it. Oh my gosh. They look like real ones, but they're, oh my gosh, they're so tiny. And then there's these little bitty bicones in there. And I swear this feels like hair. It feels like golden hair. I just think that is so cool. And it looks like it had a name on it at some point. I'm going to hang this here because I don't want it to get wrecked. It's just so cool. I might wear that at some point. Alrighty, let's get to it. Here's a big thing in a, oh wow, look at that. It's a whole bunch of St. Patty's Days. Kiss Me I'm Irish, a little leprechaun hat, Lucky Charm, a shamrock, and a Happy St. Patty's Day. So, they're to hand out to your friends, I guess. Ooh, this is nice. It's kind of tangled up in something, but... Ooh, these look like... Wow, there's some fun stuff in here, I can tell already. Just if I can get it undone. Oh, look, it's got a safety pin on it. That doesn't bode well. I think this was a bracelet that broke. Yes, look. And it can be fixed. So that'll be getting fixed. It's pearls and Swarovski bicones, clear and purple. Very nice. Whoop. What do we got here? We have a really cool bracelet, but it's missing one. It's missing one. Darn it. I wouldn't notice that if you were wearing it. I wouldn't notice. This is a teeny tiny little bracelet with a leaf, a rhinestone, and a little rose. Very cute. This should go in the pile to be fixed. This is a strand of black spinel beads, I think. It doesn't look to be... Is it a necklace or a bracelet? Oh, it's a bracelet, so it's not a strand, it's a bracelet. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is a triangular thing. This is a really cool earring. Sweet. This is a... what are you? The end of a necklace that's in the box still. This is... Who are you? I can't read because my eyes are going tonight. It's been... Oh, American Eagle. Okay. Alrighty. It's triple strand. It's... Wow, yeah. It's one of these guys. Yeah, let go. Okay, now. Oh, there's another thing that needs to come off. There. Okay. Get the safety pin out of the way. Now we can see what we're looking at here. It is an American Eagle Outfitters triple. Okay, so it's a choker. And then it goes down to, this hangs slightly below the choker. And then we have this long bit with the 2 bars. So this is what they call a drip necklace because it drips down to your belly button. It's cool though. I like that. Different. Very different. I don't know if those are on trend still or not. This is blue and brown wood in an asymmetrical pattern. We have this bit to go to here. Yeah. Okay, and then, I don't know, does this stuff move? Ah, yes, yes, it's not asymmetrical, it's just stuck. A little bit stuck, there we go. Alright, so we have wood, and it's on a chain, and it's like a turquoise and brown. Turquoise and brown! Great color combo, y'all. I don't know if it's still in fashion either. This, oop, there's the other one of those earrings that we've seen. This is German. You can tell by the way it feels. It's very light. There's no rust or wear on it anywhere except on the clasp. It's that German, magical German metal. I don't know how they do it. This is interesting. Plastic on suede with faux pearls. Yeah, okay. It's very strange. Cack. Oh, hey, look, it's a thermometer. And it's got a compass. That's cool. Is it going up? I can't tell. I can't tell. Here's a sparkly, sparkly. Oh, come on. It looks way better in person, but it's resin. Sparkly resin. Alright, the Artesian Collection. We have a beautiful art glass pendant. And what is this on the back? I don't know what the black is. Bonus suede cord included. Okay. Bonus. Here is a little earring with a clippy clip. Oh, that's a Monet. If I miss my guess. No, it says JJG, whoever that is. Interesting. Oh, here's the other one of those Z-bead earrings. African Z-bead. Oh, here, look at this guy. This is awesome. Fashion jewelry. It has an eyeball, and it has a this, and it has a this. Feather. It has a feather on it. So we've got welcome from the Native American tribe. And we've got, what is this? A little flag. Teeny tiny pin. Okay, Hubs gets that. Alright, so we have the evil eye thing, and then we have the native welcome. Somebody got their ethnicities mixed up. But it's cool looking. I like it. Cool. And here's some mermaid beads. Of course. The obligatory. Oh, look at you. You're pretty. Oh, and it hangs nice too. What are you? What are you made of? Do you have... Oh, I can't see nothing. My eyes are getting all gooey. I've been up too long. Staring at the screen a lot today. That's neat. I like that. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Some shell. Oh, that just came apart. Handmade in the Philippines. No, I think it's hand-strung in the Philippines. Mother Nature done made that, pretty much. Not to nitpick or anything. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, what are those? Do we have a color? No, those are black. Okay, so it's a very cute little choker that is black and pearl and gold, which is very classic. Looks to be about 18 inches. Very nice. Are you tired of me saying very nice? Beep, beep. Are you tired of me saying very nice? Here's some more of these guys. Been getting a lot of them lately. Oh, look, there's a whole set of these. Woohoo! Okay, why? Okay, this is a triple. And then there's this one that isn't the same. But I like this. This is nice and heavy. It's a little big for me, though. Cool. Very chunky. Oh, look at the little elephants. Somebody was asking me about these. They wanted a specific thing. They wanted piggies, I think. These are little elephants. Oh, elephants. Yes, yes. Ooh, pretty. These are gorgeous. They are pink and yellow, and they are crackle. They are not plastic. They are glass. Kind of not sure if I want to keep those or not. Ooh, look at all this mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. Is it all the same mess, or is it different messes? Well, I know this doesn't go in there. Pretty sure. Bleh. No. Come on now. Okay, so we got this one out. They feel like spinel to me. Very sparkly. They're not glass. They're too heavy. Okay, so this is three strands on a bracelet. And then there's this. I have all this John Philip Sousa music going through my head because I watched the inauguration today. This is pretty. A very dainty little thing. And then there's this one that is also a very dainty little thing. And they kind of go together. This one's gold and silver chains. And this one is rhinestones and silver tone. And then this one, oh look, another little one, is gunmetal. Those are cool. I like those. Put them in there. Here is a beautiful little it looks like a face with the two eyes and a nose. A long nose. Proboscis. It looks like a new one. Like one of those fakey ones. Yeah, I'm not really crazy about that design. It looks like a face. Strange. Here's one of these guys that probably had a glass. Whoa. And it's broke. Okay. Woohoo. Here's another little bracelet with 2 strands of string. And what is with? How is that jewelry? I'm sorry, I don't mean to be I don't mean to be dismissive, but how is 1 chain and 2 strings jewelry? Like, I don't get it. Ooh. There's some of these guys again. They go in my pile. Ooh, pretty. I love this. Abalone. It's a bookmark. Another bookmark. Oh. This is United Airlines, looks like, for the hubster. Here's the other earring. You got both of those. Oh, look at this one. This is another little pin. Looks like little balloons. It's for the hubsy too. Oh, look at this. Boy, does that scream Italian man or what? Big fat chain with a crucifix on it. Except, yeah, except that would be gold, wouldn't it? Not silver. Looky, looky. Says something on it. It says Korea on it. I don't think this went to that. It feels heavy compared to the chain. So we'll have to test that. It might be sterling. It might be. It might be. Excuse me. Here's some wood and shell and copper and copper with silver plating, apparently. Teeny tiny, no, goes in there. Here's one of these expansion bracelet guys. Very blingy. There's the other one of those. Yay, got a pair. Cufflinks. I like cufflinks. Oh, it's a button. Don't need that. What's this? Worn out stretchy guy. Let's get to the bottom of this here because there's not much here. Okay. I don't know if that was Alex and Ani or not. This is, ooh, elephants and red. Look at these red bicones. I think they feel like Swarovskis to me. So we'll have to look and see if the elephants are sterling. It's very heavy. Oop. Little pink earring, little one of those. Teeny tiny. Oh wait, this is a me again. Me love. This is love. It's the same as the me bracelet though. Love me. Okay, I get it. The silver tone one says me, and the gold one says love. And wait, let's see, what's this? Love. Love me more? Oh, for Lord's sake. How about you let people love you the way they love you? Jeez. Here's a cute little bracelet. And that looks like cat's eye. Here's, I think, what is supposed to be an earring, but it's missing a hook. Here's another little earring. Oh. And another little earring. That looks like chunks of stone. This is a little Christmas earring. Oh, that's adorable. Christmas. Here's another little silver tone earring, bracelet with a rose gold heart. A lot of little bracelets in here this time. Look at the little cherries. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, I hope I find the other ones of those. They're, cat's eye cherries. So cute. Oh, this is cute too. Little dreams come true. Here's a little ringy ring ring. Here's a little earringy, guys. Kind of sparkly, but not really. And then the last thing we have in here tonight is these lovely fuchsia beads that go down to fuchsia and silver tone, and then silver tone, and then back up the other side. This looks like it needs a oh, she broke. I don't know why they did it like that. Has to be fixed. I don't know if it's worth it though. I might just put this in a craft lot. Alrighty, that will do it for tonight. I'd like to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. You can leave me a comment with just words. You don't have to put a timestamp. But if you see something you can't live without, leave the timestamp in the comments below of the item in which you were interested. If you would rather, you could send me an email with that same information, but give me also your okay, brain fart. The date that it was posted and the title of the video. And if you haven't bought from me before, please include your name, your YouTube name, your PayPal email, and your mailing address so that I can invoice you and get your package out to you. Please remember that I love each and every one of you, and be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.